Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing modern PowerPoint template design in PowerPoint in just 2 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide with no contents on it at all and no text box, no pictures or nothing at all. You're going to go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. You're going to insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it fully rounded. You're going to duplicate it and place them next to each other. And you're going to place them something like this and adjust them and duplicate them again. Select all of these and make them longer, but make them thinner. There you go. And like you're gonna put them very close to each other, something like this. Select all of these, duplicate them and place them downwards. And that was all you had to do. Select the rectangle first and then all the other shapes. Go to shape format, merge shapes and press subtract. Now you're gonna select this shape and you're gonna remove its outline and you're gonna go to insert tab and this pictures and you're gonna choose any picture you want, but be sure to use a high resolution image for a better result template. Send this picture to the back. Let me just rotate it and there you go. Let's just increase its length, and because I want the outer unwanted part to be cropped, so I'm just gonna crop it. Like you're gonna select this shape and you're gonna use eyedropper if you want to give it a color that is suitable. So let me just check out some colors. This doesn't really look nice, so let me just use some vibrant color, but this doesn't look really nice, so let me just go to shape format, shape fill, and give it a white fill would be okay. So that's how it looks. Let me just copy my text and along with the icons, I'm gonna paste it right here. Change the color of the icon and the other stuff according to the picture color. So I'm just gonna change the color of the text to green as well. If you want to give animations to give more better results, you can also give animations. And that was all for today in this video. Meet you in another video with more amazing videos and content.